Welcome back to the channel. This is Multi-Skilled Electrician, and today I'm taking you through this simple washing machine. It's an LG twin tap washing machine. Okay, so I'll add more a bit of water to it. So someone will ask, why are you pouring water into the machine? Okay, so this specific machine or this brand has two options. There's the water supply inlet here, so you connect a tube to the tap directly, and so the direct tap or water supply inlet is not available, so I'm going to put water in. There are some machines that will not allow you to wash by putting water in, but this one is very simple. It allows you to do that, so I'm going ahead to do that. Okay, so selected the water. Now I'll go ahead with the detergent. This is Omo Auto Washing Machine powder. Okay. Okay. So when your clothes are set, okay, so before that, this is a notice right here. So it says remove this before washing, or in other, also it's in French there. So it says keys, toothpicks, coins, clips, screws, sandstones, what have you. Anything that is in your pocket, you need to search through your clothes, your pocket, especially your pocket, to remove everything from it. And also the clothes that with zip, you need to zip them up. Those are with buttons, you need to button them up. And clothes with pocket with zip, you need to close the zip and everything. Yeah. So here I'm set. So how do you go about this to wash it? So you have this to rotate, this to control the washing. This actually does the wash and rinse. So this just timer, you can select it from 3 minutes, 6, 9, 12 up to 15 minutes. Okay. And there's a portion that says don't rotate, so you can set it to that end. But before, you need to select this drain selector. So we have two here. Before, you need to select the wash and rinse. When you select drain, that means when you put water in, it will go through the drain. So you select the wash and rinse. Okay, so, and here is the wash selector. So we have gentle, normal, and strong. Okay, so I have a couple of mixed clothes there, so I'm going to select the normal wash. The gentle wash is probably for let's say small items like handkerchief and stuff like that, and strong items for strong clothes like jeans, trousers, and such heavy clothing. Okay, all right, so I'm done with this. So you see this water selector, the water supply inlet is not connected, so you don't need this. So if, let's say, the water is connected, then you select between spin and wash, but in this case it's not connected, so this doesn't have any work to do here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start the process. I'll first wash and rinse, then I'll send it there's the spinning side, and I'll send it to the spinning side and also spin it. So I'm selecting 9 minutes. I'm going to wash it for 9 minutes. Okay, so I selected 9 minutes. It's almost done. The washing cycle will end very soon. Yeah, so you see it automatically goes off. So during the evening you can set this cycle. In the evening you can set it anytime that you want. It will wash it, and when it gets to the appointed time or the set time, it will go off automatically by itself. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead with so here I have some items here. Some items here that I'm going to spin. So it's very important, according to the manufacturer, you need to cover the spinning net with this cover. It says it's really safety cover. Use this cover when spinning. So I'll cover it, then this, then and also there are some caution here. It says do not put your hand in the spin dryer basket until it has completely stopped. It says put laundry evenly into the spin dryer basket and horizontally place the safety cover on top. Laundry and washing machine will be damaged if the safety cover is not placed. So there's a serious caution or attention that you have to take notice of. Okay, so I'm going ahead with the spinning. I have some few items here, so I'm going to spin it. Okay, just 2 minutes. I'm spinning it. Okay, so the spinning time was just 2 minutes, and the cycle will be done pretty soon. It will also go off by itself, you see. So it will go off by itself when the appointed time or the set time is reached. Okay, so when it's done, you can go ahead and open it. So you see, it has taken all the water that was in the clothes from it. That is the purpose of the spinning. It's almost close to dry, but probably I'll just hang it on the dry line for just some couple of hours, and then it will be perfect. Okay, so thank you once again and coming to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification to receive notice for or notification for subsequent videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.